What's up guys, my name is Nick and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a little different from those I've done in the past. In recent months, cryptocurrencies have become increasingly mainstream and I expect this content to be also of interest to my subscribers who are eager to learn about options and options trading. In this short series of videos then, I'll be looking at how to open and fund an account with the Independent Reserve, a cryptocurrency exchange, and how to access the platform's order book to buy a number of different cryptocurrencies. So, who are the Independent Reserve? Well, founded in 2013 with a goal to be Australia's most secure and trusted way to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies, the exchange has since expanded to Southeast Asia and is now available in Singapore, where I currently reside. While unavailable within the United States, the Independent Reserve is available to clients resident within 197 countries and territories worldwide. So, if you're outside the US and interested in opening an account, use the link in the description below. As at the time of making this video in early June 2021, the exchange in Singapore currently supports Bitcoin, Ethereum and Ripple, but following regulatory approval, will also look to list Cardano, Polkadot and Chainlink. More coins will be added going forward, of course. In Australia, for example, more than 20 different coins are supported across the platform. In this first video then, let's take a look at how to go about setting up and opening an account with the Independent Reserve in Singapore. Before we get into it though, do me a huge favour, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. It's free of course, but it helps me out a ton. With that said, enjoy the video and I'll see you on the other side. Cheers. Okay, so to open up an account with the Independent Reserve, the first thing we need to do is go to the website. So that's in Singapore, independentreserve.com.sg, and you can see at the top right there, the Create Account button. We come in, we need to establish a username and a password which we need to verify. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'll use Option Alchemist, which is the name of the YouTube channel. Okay, I don't have a referral code and I'm not a robot. So let's just go ahead and click the Create Account button. So now we need to go through and input the account type, what the purpose of the account is and how we will actually fund that. What is going to be the source of funds? Our identity, so our first and last names, date of birth, and also details about our residence, the postal code and which country we live in. Now we need to add an email address, and that will need to be verified. You'll be sent a code which you can then input to confirm the address. So tap on the verify email there just to the right. Once you've received the email, obviously enter the 6-digit code and just verify your address. At least one mobile number is required. So we're going to add one there, a primary mobile number. And again, like the email, you'll be sent a code and be in a position to verify that number. Okay, so now we need to verify our identity and confirm our address. So we need 3 documents for that. We'll need a selfie, which includes a picture of our photo ID, a close-up of the photo ID both on the front and the back side, and some sort of proof of address, whether that's a bank statement, a utility bill, or some sort of letter from a government organisation. And then finally, we just need to submit that for verification, and typically within 24 hours, the account will be up and ready to go. So once your account's been verified, you need to come back to independentreserve.com.sg where you'll be able to log in. When you do so, you'll be brought to the trading order book here, but at the moment, the account hasn't been funded, so we need to take care of that first. So as you can see at the top there, all accounts are empty. To start trading, we need to go to the account screen and make a deposit. So, as you can see, I already have 2 bank accounts that are registered with the Independent Reserve. The first one's denominated in US dollars and the second in Singapore dollars. Now, if you are registered in Singapore, the quickest and easiest way to get fiat onto the platform is to make a fast transfer directly from your bank account in Singapore dollars. So let's take a look at that process. We're going to add a bank account. It's going to be a Singapore dollar denominated bank account. And now we just need to add the bank name and the bank account number. Enter your password and click Save. The Independent Reserve uses XFers to accept bank transfers in Singapore. Your XFers account is linked to your registered phone number. And so again, you'll receive a 6-digit code through an SMS and you'll be required to input that in order to verify your account. Okay, so now that's done, we can come back inside the Independent Reserve platform and click on the Deposit Sing link there. What happens is we're going to be shown now the payee name, the payee's bank, and their account number details that we can use to actually effect a transfer from our own bank account. I'm logged into my HSBC account here. I'm going to do a local transfer to other banks in Singapore. Then I'm going to copy and paste the details rather than manually typing them. Let me stress that. It's a fairly straightforward process. Obviously the name, account number. And then once you've completed those details, the most important point here is the type of transfer that you're going to do. It's a fast transfer, and that's going to be to CIMB Bank Berhad. And the final thing, we need to just add the comment to the payee, which is just simply a mobile phone number so they can track that deposit. For the purposes of this video today, I'm going to make a deposit of $300. So confirm those details. I'll just click confirm and get that sent through. The transfer has been confirmed, and now literally within 5 minutes we can see that the Sing dollar receipts are within the Independent Reserve. Okay, so now we've opened and funded our Independent Reserve account, we can now begin trading digital assets. So let's click on the trade link at the top of the screen and we'll be taken to the order book. Today I'm going to buy Bitcoin and I'm going to use the Sing dollar receipts that I transferred onto the account earlier. I'm going to buy at market. There is an option to buy at limit, of course. And I'm going to buy a Sing amount today rather than a Bitcoin amount. I'm going to buy $100. So I'll input that now. And now I'm going to preview the buy order. Okay, because it is a market order, it should be done almost instantaneously. So let's place the buy order. And sure enough, the status is filled. So let's close down this window and we can go back to the accounts and have a look at the actual Bitcoin now within the platform. There we go, you can see the Bitcoin receipts there. It's as simple as that. If you made it this far, you made it to the end, and your support is very, very much appreciated. If you are a resident in Singapore or any of the other 197 countries and territories supported on the Independent Reserve platform and are looking to trade cryptocurrencies, consider using the link in the description below to open and fund your account. It costs you nothing, of course, but does help support the channel. Before you go, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel down here. I've included links to additional videos and you can access those somewhere over there. Until the next one, guys, stay safe, take it easy, cheers.